up? This is Anonymous Noun. Today we're gonna have a look at some interesting unknown facts about India. Do you know that India, the land of snake charmers and holy saints, used to be an island more than 100 million years ago? About 50 million years ago, it collided with the Asian continent and thus was born the Himalayas. Fascinating, isn't it? With over a billion people from all kinds of religions and ethnicities, India is not only the second most populated country, but it also has in store some mind-blowing facts and achievements under its belt. At the end, if you like the making of the video, do express it. And now, let's get into the video. Here are the most interesting, unknown, mind-blowing facts about India. 1. Lonar Lake in Maharashtra. Lonar Lake, also called as Lonar Crater. Lonar Lake, situated in Maharashtra, is actually a crater formed by meteorite hit nearly 50,000 years ago. A crater is a very large hole in the ground caused by an explosion. In this case, let us assume it as a space rock. It is not an ordinary meteorite crash site. The crater was formed at an estimated speed of 90,000 km per hour, weighing 2 million tons. Lonar Crater was first discovered by British officer J.E. Alexander in 1823. The biggest mystery is Lonar Lake water never dried up, even in summer. Travel enthusiasts must not miss this astronomical marvel and the temple around it. Moving on to the next one, that is 2 polling booth for single voter. Yes, when election commission set up a polling booth for Gir Forest's only resident, you think there is no point in voting? During every election season, there are many who decide not to vote for various reasons. To all those who think voting doesn't make sense, here is an inspiring story. More than 51,000 polling stations had been set up in Gujarat for the third phase of 2019 election. One of these booths was set up 70 kilometers inside the dense forest of Gir Sanctuary. Interestingly, the Election Commission of India set up this booth just for one person. Bharat Das Bapu is a temple priest in an ancient Shiva temple, which is pilgrimage spot located inside Gir Sanctuary. In 2019 elections, 5 polling officers travelled 70 kilometers inside the Gir forest in Gujarat to set up the voting booth for Bapu. While setting up the booth at the Forest Department building, the polling officials encountered difficulties such as lack of mobile networks. They also had to stay at the booth till 6 p.m. as per the guidelines issued by the Election Commission. India's most privileged voter, Mahant Bharat Das, resides in a small hamlet called Banej in the middle of Gir Forest, Gujarat. The setting up of a special polling booth for just one voter goes a long way in speaking decibels about the democratic spirit of the country. This video coverage shows it all. Shani Shingnapur, village without doors. This town has no doors, no locks, no crime. Shingnapur is also famous for the fact that no house in the village has doors, only door frames. Despite this, officially no theft were reported in the village, although there were reports of theft in 2010 and 2011. The temple is believed to be a Jagrut Devasthan, meaning that a deity still resides in the temple icon. Villagers believe that God Shani punishes anyone attempting theft. The deity here is Swayambhu, that is self-emerged from earth in the form of black, imposing stone. Though no one knows the exact period, it is believed that Swayambhu Shanaishwara statue was found by shepherds of the then local hamlet. It is believed to be in existence at least since the start of Kali Yuga. The village has a post office and a high school besides the primary schools run by the Zilla Parishad. The chief source of water supply in the village is wells. The public sector UCO Bank is the first to throw open the doors of commercial banking to this unique town of 3,000 people. Owing to local religious sentiments, the bank decided to open the branch without a lock on in front doors. Interesting, right? Moving to the next one, that is Tulsi Shyam, the hill that defy gravity. Imagine if your car, when left in free gear, starting rolling up a hill against a gravitational pull. Freaky, right? This strange phenomenon is indeed a reality at a road stretch near Tulsi Shyam in Amreli district, Gujarat. The mystery of anti-gravity, a strange thing happened on a road near the area where vehicles, if left in free gear and without handbrake, would start rolling up the hill against the gravitational pull. But this phenomenon happened only in 150-meter stretch of the road. The idol of Lord Tulsi Shyam is said to be 3,000 years old. Fifth, mysterious anti-gravity hills in Ladakh, Magnetic Hill. With the anti-gravitational effect, this is the only magnetic hill in India, landmarked by a yellow notice board that spells out instructions and asks you place your car on neutral gear right on the spot marked by white paint. This one will leave you in awe as your car will begin to move uphill on its own. The magnetic hill is located on the Leh Kargil Srinagar National Highway about 50 kilometers from Leh at a height of 11,000 feet above sea level. The hill is very popular stop for tourists on car journeys. 6. India is second largest English-speaking nation. Second only to the US, India has around 10% of its populace fluent in English. This statistic is expected to quadruple in the next decade. People who went to US from India rarely have difficulty in communicating with Americans because most speak fluent English or have received their education in English. However, India speaks British English and there are many differences between British English and American English. 7. Kumbh Mela gathering visible from space. Space Imaging's ICONOS satellite has taken a detailed color photograph of the largest human gathering in the history of the world, the Maha Kumbh Mela, a spiritual event held every 144 years in the northern India. The festival is expected to attract 70 million people to a sacred location on the Ganges River, 15 kilometers from Allahabad, for more than a month of bathing rituals. The spectacular image is the first high-resolution satellite image ever taken of such an event. The image shows the sacred site at the confluence of the Ganges, Yamuna and mythical Saraswati rivers where millions of Hindu worshippers bath to wash away their sins and hasten the Hindu people's progress toward Nirvana. 8. World's highest railway bridge. The Chenab River Rail Bridge is being built over a difficult terrain and Indian Railways is making use of several new techniques and methods for the project. It is expected to be complete by 2019 end. India's remarkable engineering feat and the world's highest railway bridge to open soon. Indian Railways is building the world's tallest railway bridge in the state of Jammu and Kashmir over Chenab River. This arch bridge is built at a height of 359 meters above the waters of Chenab River. Astonishingly, the bridge will be taller than Paris' famous Eiffel Tower. It provides access to the Kashmir Valley from Udhampur. It will provide better transportation facilities to travel in and around mountainous terrain. The Chenab Bridge forms an important link in the 111 kilometers railway line between Khatra and Banihal. Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO is working with the Indian Railways to make sure that the 12,000 crore bridge can withstand any major blast in the terrorism-prone region. To boost the safety and security measures, the bridge is being built with 63 mm thick special blast-proof steel. And finally, 9. The Temple of Rats, Karni Mata Temple. It is a Hindu temple dedicated to Karni Mata at Desnoke, 30 kilometers from Bikaner in Rajasthan, India. It is also known as the Temple of Rats. The temple is famous for the approximately 25,000 black rats that live and are revered in the temple. These holy rats are called kabbas. and many people travel great distance to pay their respects. The temple draws visitors from across the country for blessings as well as curious tourists from around the world. Out of all of the thousands of rats in the temple, there are a few white rats which are considered to be especially holy. They are believed to be the manifestations of Karni Mata herself and her 4 sons. Sighting them is a special blessing, and visitors put in extensively effort to bring them forth, offering prasad, a sweet holy food. That's it. That's all about the mind-blowing interesting facts about India. Go on, pass it on to your friends and let their minds be blown away too.